Hello, this is Hans James P. Moreno, your handsome schoolmate, ready for a more exciting science lessons. Today, we will tackle about basic electricity, specifically Ohm's law. To better understand Ohm's law, let us define first electricity. Electricity is the presence and flow of electrical charge. The word electricity is sometimes used to mean electrical energy. There are three things that you need to consider to have a better understanding about electricity. First is electrical current, second is voltage, and third is resistance. Electric current is often referred to as flow of electric charges that is continuously moving from one point to another in a circuit. Voltage is the force activating charge carriers to flow in a circuit. And lastly, the resistance. Resistance is the opposition in motion to oppose current flow. The electrical resistance of the wire depends on its thickness, length, conductivity of materials being used, and temperature. And now, let us discuss our main topic, which is Ohm's law. What does Ohm's law states? Ohm's law states that the current flowing through a circuit is directly proportional to the voltage and inversely proportional to the resistance in the circuit. This means that if current increases, voltage also increases, and if current increases, resistance will decrease. Before we proceed on solving problems that deals with Ohm's law, let us get to know the proponent of Ohm's law first. George Simon Ohm was a German physicist. He is best known for working out the fundamental relationship between current, voltage, and resistance known as Ohm's law. How to use the Ohm's law triangle, and how can this help us in solving problems? So if you are trying to solve for current, cover up I so you can derive a formula of current is equals voltage divided by resistance. And if you are trying to solve for voltage, cover up V so you can derive a formula of voltage is equal to current multiplied by resistance. And lastly, if you are trying to solve for resistance, cover up R so you can derive a formula of resistance is equal to voltage divided by current. Now, let us try to use the formula to solve some sample problems. Let us see how we find voltage. What is the potential difference or voltage in an electric circuit with a current of 15 amperes and a resistance of 4 ohms? First, let us identify the givens. Current is equals 15 amperes, resistance is equals 4 ohms, and the unknown is the voltage. We will use the equation voltage is equals current times R. For the solution, substitute the value of current, which is 15 amperes, and resistance is 4 ohms. That will give us 60 volts. And that's it for now. I hope you learned something.